Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Science in Life. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. So today we're going to learn about the world of microorganisms. In this video today we're going to cover about the topics: what is microorganisms, uses of microorganisms, discovery of penicillin vaccination and discovery of the polio vaccination. Okay, first of all, what is a microorganism? Microorganism is nothing but an organism which cannot be seen by a naked eye is called as a microorganism, and the name itself is saying like micro. Micro means small, which can be seen only through the microscope, is called as microorganisms. In this microorganism, there are many types of microorganisms. So those are the types are called bacteria, fungus, virus, protozoa and cyanobacteria. Okay. So first of all, what is a bacteria? Bacteria can be seen everywhere. For example, if we take our Lifebuoy ad or any hand wash or any Dettol soap or anything else. So in the for example, if we take a Lifebuoy ad for particularly, so there in that video we can see like if a person passes a red light to the hand, that time we can see some of the bacteria running on his hand. That is nothing but running on his hand. It's nothing but a bacteria. Or blue color it shows us in the break is nothing but a bacteria. Okay, so that type of bacteria is called as bacteria. Now what is fungus? For example, if you take a bread packet, if you keep it open side for 2 to 3 days, and when you go near the bread packet after 2 to 3 days, open bread packet, then you can see a bread getting a fungus. Like fungus is nothing but a black color layer forming at the sides of a bread is nothing but a fungus. Okay, for fungus you can see the image in the second one. How does it looks under the microscope? Okay, so this is a fungus. So now what is virus? The virus is the most common thing has been used in 2020. Even an uneducated person also got to know what is virus now. So virus is nothing but spreading of a disease. It is like contaminant diseases. Like it can be spreaded by touch or sneeze or cough or anything else. So even before virus, even the cold also used to be seen as a virus, right? Because it is a spreadable diseases. So virus, I guess that is type of this. And in the coronavirus, the something was like if a affected person sneeze or cough, the virus has been enter into the air from an affected person, and it goes to an healthy person, and it gets he or she get infected with the virus. So overall it is like a spreadable diseases. Now what is protozoa? It is a larger than bacteria. It contains nucleus other than the structures. Protozoa prefers most moist environments. Moist environments in the sense is like cold areas. It might be in coldy areas. Okay. Now what is cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria can be seen in unicellular, family and solitary or colony forming organisms. They have cellular structure that differs from eukaryotic cells. So in this video you can see that how the cyanobacteria looks like, and you can see like different parts. In this video. Next, uses of microorganisms. Microorganisms, as I said, it has many uses. In that, first use is like medical use of microorganisms. So if someone falls injured or if anyone falls ill, the doctor prescribes an antibiotics. Okay, that medicines is nothing but such medicines are called as antibiotics, and these antibiotics are produced by growing specific microorganisms such as fungi. Nowadays, number of antibiotics has come like penicillin, tretlasine, streptomycin and erythromycin are being produced. Antibiotics help in curing many bacterial diseases like typhoid, gonorrhea, diarrhea, tuberculosis and infection like Spectramycia Antibiotics are also control the bacterial diseases in plant and animals. So here we get to know, like we are getting to know like microorganisms, like medical use of microorganism is used in antibiotics, right? So in antibiotics, if X person is not feeling well and he got affected with typhoid or anything else, so to cure that disease, these antibiotics are being sent into the form of injection. And some people give tablets also. Tablets is nothing but drugs. Okay, so in this video they are saying like antibiotics can control the bacterial diseases in plants and animals too. Not only in human beings, it is used in plants and animals also. Next, what is the commercial use of microorganisms? Commercial use of microorganisms: food and beverage production. Microorganisms are used to make bread, wine, alcohol and cheese. Okay, and yeast is used in the production of alcohol, wine and in baking. Now lactobacillus bacteria used in to make a curd from milk. Next, mold. Mold is the production of some cheeses such as Brie, Roquefort and Camembert. Okay, so you can see the images of Camembert, curd and yeast. So in Camembert it is used in some of the cheeses, and lactobacillus bacteria helps to form curd, right, from milk to curd. And yeast is used in the production of alcohol and wine and in the baking also. Okay, next, who discovered the penicillin? The Sir Alexander Fleming has discovered the penicillin vaccine. So Alexander Fleming was an army doctor during the First World War. So he observed many injured soldiers died because of bacterial infections and wounds. And one day when he was working on antibiotics in his lab, accidentally he observed some fungus was preventing the growth of bacteria in the petri dish in which he has separated the substances. And then later on he tested that causing a bacteria, and this substance is also killed to those disease causing bacteria. And this fungus is identified as a Penicillium notatum. And this substance was produced by fungus penicillin and was named as a penicillin. So this discovery of antibiotic penicillin was announced in 1929, in the year of 1929. In the year of 1945, the Alexander Fleming was awarded with a Nobel Prize along with the other scientists, namely Mr. Dr. Edward Florey and Dr. Chain. So discovery of penicillin paved the way of discovery of many antibiotics like streptomycin, erythromycin, etc. These are the vaccination helped in prevention. Like it has penicillin vaccination has helped these antibiotics to create more. Like antibiotics, others like streptomycin, erythromycin, etc. Now, who discovered the polio vaccine? What is a polio vaccine? Polio vaccine. Polio vaccine is nothing but it is given to the child. It is given to the child actually. So to prevent the polio disease, the polio vaccine has been given, and this polio vaccine has been discovered with Dr. Jonas Salk, okay, in 1952, and he wanted to distribute it freely to everyone. So he never patented his polio vaccine. Patented means patent rights, like in every, for example, in every movie you can see and like copyright reserved. Patent and copyright reserve. That means if we want to remake that movie or anything else, that time we need to take a permission of that particular person who has directed the movie. But for in these cases, he has never patented his polio vaccine. That means he is open. Like if anyone want to create or like substance in a substance or chemical substance, something like that, he has given this oral, like he has given us all the rights. Okay, so Dr. Albert Sabin has discovered the oral polio vaccine. Okay, this polio vaccine has been given through the injection in the form of injection, and oral polio, it is given to the small kids like polio drops, we'll say. So I have completed all the topics which I have been said in the before. So these are the topics we have covered in today's video. Okay. Please do like. Thanks for watching Science for Life, and thanks for